that.
Okay.
See, once when you told me to write, I wrote.
Hmm.
They replied, "Thank you very much,"
Hmm.
and they had sent an annexure which I missed out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, and I kept writing to them. They kept writing back to me,
Huh.
and then suddenly I realized I'm doing something wrong. So
Ah.
I went back to the first mail and I found at the bottom they had sent the annexure.
Ah. Right. Right.
Kindly fill up the formats. So the government department, they will want their own
Yes. Yes.
thing,
Yes. Correct.
and it's a very easy 3 page uh,
Simple.
thing.
Simple
Yeah,
format.
and then you put your documents into that.
Yes. Correct.
It's a Dropbox like 12A. Put it in this. So all the scan material had to get into the pocket, and I didn't realize it.
Right. Hmm.
So this thing, now they are wanting my third year balance sheet. My CA is already working on it,
Okay. Very nice.
right? So he has to, because by 30th of November we have to send it. That's the IT department. They've given us till 30th November.
Yeah. True. True.
So by 15th, I think I should be getting it.
Right.
And then they'll go for an inspection to Sundarban.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. When SBI grant comes, it comes. That's it. Hmm.
Shasha's here also. So,
Teresa,
ma'am,
welcome.
good
Welcome,
afternoon.
Teresa. Welcome, Anand
Use.
Kumar. Hmm.
Anand
வணக்கம்
Kumar is there.
வணக்கம் என்ன நிறைய நல்ல ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் தாட்டி நல்லா பண்ணீங்க ஒரு 1 week லாஸ்ட் 1 week கமலா நடராஜன் did lot of activities. They have done very good activities last 1 week. I could see that.
Very active.
Yeah, very active.
Very
Kamala
active.
Natarajan is very active. In fact, the group started. The activity started actually. A lot of people started, posting their activities and all that. That's a good sign.
Well, every post has got better. It was like a competition, going on.
Yeah,
Everyone was
it was very good.
doing, and
All
without any malice.
all triggered by Arup only. He used to post and then somebody else used to post. And then he used to post again, somebody else.
No, Anand Kumar, 1 o'clock in the night, he's posting with me.
True.
And the good thing about Mr. Anand Kumar, when I tell him something, offline, when I write to him, he immediately corrects it. He says,
Yeah.
okay, sir,
Correct.
and then I see that there is a correction. Or if you write, he's
Correct.
very, very quick to, take action.
Right.
And that's so good of him. And it is a competition. Yes.
Very true. Correct. Very nice.
Challenge accepted.
Healthy.
Yes. No, because he's doing so much of good work. Mr. Anand Kumar, I will send you the donate card, that lady's name, Mrs. Shetty. You talk to her on the phone and you say Arup Sengupta of Notun Jibon. Because who are feeding people on the road, they are the ones to help you.
True.
Donate card.
True.
No, because Anand, every day he's feeding, somewhere or the other, he's feeding people.
Yes.
And he's feeding a lot of them, not just 10, 20.
Yeah.
He's feeding a whole line.
True.
And donate card will be something that is, if someone is funding you, why not?
Yes.
That's what I learned from you. If someone is funding me, I will take it now.
Yeah, why not?
And
Yes.
they are they'll do everything.
Right.
And it's a Hyderabad-based company.
Right.
So,
So-
I'll send it offline, sir.
Yeah, right. Even I think, Edward also has been able to raise around 68,000 rupees something.
Yes, very good. That's
Very
very good.
good.
It's a good campaign, sir.
Exactly.
I just shared it in all my groups.
Yes.
And on Facebook also. It's a one. See, that's what Hazra has joined us, Dr. Hazra. That is an appeal. It's an appeal where you see the person on the bed,
Yes.
right, and his medical support, his doctor's support, everything is documented.
And in 8 days, he has been able to raise 68,000 rupees.
68, and they're wanting 20 lakhs. Another 25 days.
2 lakhs.
Oh, 2 lakhs. another 25 days to go.
22 days. I think he will
Yeah.
achieve.
Yes, yes.
He will achieve that.
Mm.
It'll come. So, John Peter, how are you?
Yes, sir. Good evening. I'm good.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm fine. So, have you started anything?
So actually, last week I found two places for starting the like the project actually.
Okay.
So still some more place I wanted to visit so that I could finalize some needy places. That's the one work which I did. And the second thing is I was a little bit like following of my website. Still there is a lot of things are pending. The one of the thing is the most of the work actually I'm building on my own website actually. So I have my own stuff and doing that work,
Okay.
and simultaneously I'm also like promoting the our program like mostly on social media. And yeah, that's why I wanted to ask you today, like how to do this kind of ads in a Facebook. I was struggling actually 2 days before, and so maybe that could be one thing I would like to learn it. And maybe some of the technicals we could not do it uh,
Today I'll
in
cover
the
some good topics.
yeah, I think.
Yeah.
And yeah, maybe once the place is finalized, maybe I will ask you some more detail how we can go about it. So like even though I'm in Viluppuram, but I was not yet past like 10, 11 years. So actually actually I'm a new to this actually place and all. So maybe it may take little, maybe in this week I will finalize.
Okay.
This week I will finalize.
All right. So,
And
Mr.
apart from that, I was
yeah, go ahead.
apart from yeah apart from that, I have been finalizing the like the social media content, YouTube and Twitter and all the stuff. Actually, I was able to do small work, and I'm updating some of the work actually. Actually, I had experience work in Pondicherry with this gypsy community actually previously, myself and with my friend.
Okay.
Actually, my friend is still is continuing to doing. I'm actually supporting. So in that way, actually, associated with some social cause actually for now. Yeah, maybe this week I will finalize the places and all, and maybe I will ask you some more detail how we can go with it.
Sure. So, Mahesh, how is your activity? How is it going for you?
Hi, sir. Hi, all. It's going so far like, first of all, coming to the social media, we just started the Facebook. I mean, Facebook needs to be some little bit of work modifications because we are working on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, then started a YouTube channel, also started posting the videos in that channel. And so these are the social platforms which we discussed. So just was working on those things, and website also.
Right.
Then I went to bank and asked for a QR code also because mine is current account. So I asked bank to generate one UPI code and a QR code for me, because most of the people these days use applications like PayPal, Paytm, and all these applications like Google Pay and everything. So so they favor these kind of applications rather than going to a net banking and adding the bank account, then getting it approved by the bank and then making a transactions. Most of the people prefer this way, I think. So just worked on that QR code and UPI code. And then coming back to the CEO letters, I had sent you a sample write-up yesterday.
Yes.
For the
So very
CEO.
nice.
I have, yes. Yeah, so I was planning to send it on Children's Day and Diwali because both comes on same day,
Right.
14th. So I retrieved the email IDs. So we'll send that on that day. And apart from that, regarding the celebrity one, we managed to arrange Sunny Leon. We managed to contact her, and planning to gift her some items which are made by our slum
When you
kids.
say we managed to contact her, means what? You spoke to her or what?
Through her manager.
Through her manager. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so she contacted Sunny Leon and family. So what we are planning to do is like she adopted a kid, right? One of her kids is she adopted a kid. So on Children's Day, we are planning to send a gift to entire family, including her 3 kids and husband and her.
When you say
Along with
she adopted a kid, means she's funding, is it? She's funding for that.
no, actually, she has 3 kids. Out of the 3 kids, one of her kid is adopted one.
Oh, okay. I thought she has adopted
Her name is
from your,
no. She has adopted a kid in a real life. Her name is Nisha. Nisha. So she also she has aided Kerala during the Kerala flood times and everything.
Right.
So she has some moral. I mean, she does some charity kind of works. Not some many. So planning to gift her with few gifts on Children's Day, and these gifts are made by our own children from the slum and the seashore and autistic kids. We made some pictures and trying to make a video which will come under 5 minutes because we don't want it to be more lengthy. So with some music and everything, and wishing Sunny Leon and family happy Diwali and Children's Day.
Okay.
So we are tied up also a project with her where she will send some cosmetics for, I mean, just to start, just to build up that Rambo, Rambo, we have, just she'll be sending some cosmetics for the kids from our villages. And the name of the event, we made it like Makeup Like Sunny.
Okay.
So what happens here is like the kids, they will get access to the cosmetics. She is running one cosmetic shop, so they will get it out for free. I mean, to start up with these small activities we are targeting. Later on, we can, if we build up that relationship in future, I think she will be stepping forward to help more for more, because I'm not thinking that way, but still I feel so. The building up the Rampo is really necessary, I think. So hopefully, hopefully looking forward that Children's Day and Deepavali festival. So yes, and regarding ATG, and I had just applied with my auditor to get applied for ATG. So that is also going in parallel. And the social groups and everything, I had sent invitations to almost around 300 social Facebook groups, which you mentioned, around 300, around, I think so. But I didn't posted anything as of now, but I am confused whether I should post a write-up with some pictures of my activity, or should I post some video with all the activities clubbed together.
No, today I will give you complete clarity as to what all you can post. Okay. I'll give you complete clarity. All of you just get, because I know that some of you are getting confused as to what to post and, what should be the content and all those things. So I'll give you some clarity. Okay. Right. Anybody else would like to say anything? Otherwise, we come to the subject. 2 people we are missing. One is Samarendra Dixit is missing, and he came, but he dropped off. Then Ankush is missing. These 2 people are missing. Okay, we'll move ahead and we'll probably share the recording to them. Okay. Anybody else would like to say something?
Ankush has this thing. He's sick. Ankush is in touch with me. He's got corona. He's got
yeah. Correct. He wrote to me. Correct.
Yeah. I'm keeping in touch with him every day. He's very, very weak. And this thing. So I just told him relax. Yeah. I spoke to him in the morning also. So unfortunate, sir.
Unfortunate. Correct. Right. Chandransu, you want to say something? Do you have anything to say? Otherwise, I can move on to the subject.
No, please move on.
And one more thing, sir, Mahesh here.
Yes.
I want to thank Arup sir, because along with Sridhar sir's training, we are getting Arup sir's training also. Because
Arup is following whatever is being given, and because he's implemented it, he's able to immediately, connect and then post it. He wants the entire group of people to benefit out of that.
Yeah, and he is supporting other groups also. It's
absolutely, yeah, he's very good in that.
It's really great to see that.
Because of that reason only funds are pouring for him. Supposing he's selfish, he doesn't let out all these things, he won't get that kind of support. When he is open enough and he is sharing everything to everybody, money will start pouring. Because universe, he watches people. He feels that if I give him money, what is he going to do with that money? Is he going to keep it to himself, or is he going to give it to people? So when he observes that he's going to give it to people, then he gives him more and more and more, because he is the man he relies on. He will start relying on such a person who keeps on giving money to different people, because they all need, and he can't directly come and give. So he does it. That's why, Arup has taken that cue, and then he has been following that very, very meticulously. He's following that, and I'm very, very happy that he's doing all that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Something to be learned and followed.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Satrupa, you want to say something before I get on to the today's subject matter? You want to say something?
Sir, I'm just following the group, and actually, I've been too tied up with the field work. So really, the pace what Arupta is following, we have not been able to follow up with that pace, honestly. So I just need a little more time for going through everything in details.
No problem.
Which Arupta, his research is just superb, honestly.
Just keep active, be active, be watching, be an observer.
Yes, I will be actually.
Yeah, and then
too many things are happening with us every day.
Right, and then I suggest.
So I'll just keep on sharing it.
Yeah, I saw your website and all that. It is very, very good, very, very nice, very nicely done. And I think you need to have one fundraising team. Probably you can engage. It is worth.
Yes.
It is worth hiring somebody. Okay.
Correct.
And put that person on the.
I know. I am in search of a very good person for that, sir. Honestly, because I'm really in search of a good person who would be really reliable to lead the team and do it, because we do. I'll talk to you about that later. Yeah. So let's start today's and let me see Okay, so I can just have a dialogue with you on that later on.
Okay, all right.
So every tip has been fantastic till now, and boost up by you and Arupta is crazy. So he always keeps me on my toes regarding posting and live and all these things. He keeps telling me, Shadrupa, you're not visible. You need to make yourself more visible. Yes. I agree.
Yes, correct.
This is something I'm going to start very soon.
Yeah. Samarendra Dixit, you want to say something about your experience and all that last week? How it has been for you? Okay, want to say something?
Hindi.
All right. So when you're able to talk, you can speak. Then now let me move on to the today's subject. See, the other day I gave you one tool, that is stenov.io. Okay, that was a tool from where, I think Arup was able to pull out some email IDs and all that, and he sent to 25 people. He got some 7 responses. I don't know where does it stand right now. Arup ji, can you tell how many more people have responded for that? How many more people responded?
1 minute.
7 people responded earlier. You are muted. You have to unmute.
I had gone up to 100 and I got blocked because they wanted a payment, and you told me not to pay till I attend this program.
Yeah, correct.
23 of them have replied back. 23 has replied back.
Excellent. Very good.
They are wanting to get more details. I wrote to you, should I go beyond? You said no. Wait for this seminar, today's seminar to finish. Yeah, because what I'm doing, sir, and this is for all my friends, the moment I go into this site, simultaneously in my other laptop, I open out LinkedIn. And I get to know everything about that human being. Now
Yes.
let us say if I'm going into Mukesh Ambani, just as a name.
Right.
Then I will go into LinkedIn and open out Mukesh Ambani.
And you know
Right?
everything about
And
it.
then see, is he the CSR man? Is he, what is he in that system?
Right.
See, just sending a mail to a CEO is of no importance unless I know who that person is and the power that the person holds to give me funds.
Right.
And it's paying dividends, sir. It is paying dividend because I'm having 2 laptops simultaneously open. One is LinkedIn. I'm very, very strong on LinkedIn because of my corporate friends. And this is a very powerful tool which you've given us, Snow. And you told me that wait for this seminar and then to take it forward.
Correct. These are the other, take a screenshot of this. Getprospect.io, findthatlead.com, lucia.co, rocketreach.co, Mailshake and Clenty. All this will give you similar numbers. Some free trial will be there. Okay, and after that, whichever is good for you. In fact, Rocket Reach and all, what happens is there is a Chrome extension of that. So when a Chrome extension is there, you go to LinkedIn. When you are in LinkedIn, you are looking at somebody, and then you want his email number, email ID. So immediately this Rocket Reach will search for his email ID and give you also. So that is the advantage of Rocket. Rocket Reach is very, very powerful. This also is very good. So all this will give you approximately around 500 email IDs, all this put together. After that, whichever you feel comfortable, you pay and then take it. Okay, this is the first thing that I wanted to convey. Now, we need to get into massive engagement in Facebook. So how do we get into massive engagement? So I'll tell you there are 16 ways of getting solid engagement in Facebook. And one by one, I'll tell you. The first thing is that, you are wondering about what kind of posting that we have to do. You have to share your story. Story is, why did you choose this service? Now, I'll tell you my story. How did I start No Hungry Child? How powerful is this story you see? A day I was going for, me and my friend, we were traveling in the car. And while going near that Kamanhalli place, Indranagar Kamanhalli area, we saw one child, a 3-year-old child, in front of the dustbin having its food. And there were 3 other dogs which were actually with the child. And the child was not at all afraid of the dogs, but it was only covering the food because it felt that the dogs might snatch away the food that she has been able to get it. Now that particular scenario, when I saw that, it touched my heart. Then after that, I got down from the car. Me and my friend went first thing to the nearby hotel. We bought some idlis, gave that idli to her first, and then told her that, tell me, where do you stay? She took us to a slum where there were 700 families of similar kind. They were there. So I went to her house also. Where is your house? She showed me one small slum hut kind of a thing. It was made of mud. Inside there was nothing. And no chula, no gas, nothing of that. There were some other, slums also were there in that slum, where some people had bikes, some people had TV and all that in the slum. So we ignored all that. We went to places like this and found out nearly about 700 such families were living like that. And why this child had to come to dustbin was because her parents, every day morning, they go out fetching for their daily wage. And then the children are neglected. Children are left to themselves. They are told that you fetch your own food. So the child either makes an attempt to go and steal a bread, or it has to, finally hunger will drive her to the dustbin. So this is the turning point where I felt that I should do something for children like this. That is how the No Hungry Child was born. Okay, now how is this story? Who's the story? Reaction.
Great, great.
So each one of you have
Emotional,
got a story.
very-
Each one of you have got a story, right? That story has to be spoken. It can be either in by way of video, you can post it, or you can post it as a content, right? Whichever you feel comfortable, either a content or a video, you should post it. Mahesh, is it clear? No.
Yes, sir.
So,
But this is only one out of the 16, right?
correct. This is one out of the 16. I'll tell you 16 things which you have to keep on doing. What are the different things that you have to do?
That means we have to do all the 16 in one time or different?
No. Different days. You can pick and choose anything. You can pick and choose anything and keep doing, this and that, this and that. These are the 16 things which you have to keep on doing it regularly.
Okay.
Okay. And when you start doing this in the initial time, then you will get replies, responses from the people, which will make you create another post for themselves. Question answer sessions and all those things can happen. I'll go one by one. Okay, so you will start your introduction to the world by giving the story as to why have you chosen to do this social service activity. Okay, that is the first step. Second one is, what is the problem that you have seen? I discovered the problem was that 7,000 children were dying every day due to hunger. That's the problem. So reveal this problem, which is a big number, which is actually going to shock people. It will shock people. It will say, my God, I never knew 7,000 people are dying. Even I didn't know till I discovered that. Okay. Till I discovered, I didn't know. So you need to shock the people by giving the problem. What is the problem that you have found, for which you have found a solution also? The solution is you're doing the service. That's why you're addressing the problem. You're trying to address the problem of the community. Understood? Okay, while doing this, what is the result? What is the result means? I'm talking about, what did you finally end up understanding between your story and the problem, and what solution have you been able to find out? And the solution you are going to communicate to people. You think that there are thousands of people in front of you who are going to support you, and you are addressing them everything. And all that you are going to do only through Facebook. Okay. Social media. When I say Facebook, don't stick only to Facebook. The same theory applies even to Instagram and also to LinkedIn. Okay. All the three places you can do this similar, because in each place there are different segments. The people are different there. But each one has got, who is there in LinkedIn may be there even in Facebook. But the people who are not in Facebook may not be there in LinkedIn. Sometimes, But you need to treat these three different platforms. In that, the gold mine is Facebook. Because the Facebook is the gold mine. I would say it's a wonderful platform where you can actually comfortably lead your NGO activity for years, for next several years without any problem. You can do that. All right. Then when you found out the result of yours, after that, when you started providing service, you started seeing some beneficiaries' results also. Right? So that beneficiaries' results have to be tom-tom. It has to be showcased. It has to be told that this is what this beneficiary is getting. Right? So as I said, it could be in the form of video or it could be in the form of content. You can write or you can speak. Whichever you are comfortable with, you do it. Then, now how this lifestyle of yours have changed after choosing this particular service? Because earlier you were doing something else. When you found this problem, then you started, addressing the problem that you have seen. And then this must have changed your lifestyle. How did it change your lifestyle? What kind of you started getting respect, you started getting, regarded by people, and there were supporters who were coming and helping you. So that is what is the lifestyle change that you have had. That lifestyle has to be explained. So for example, now Arupji has got a very good lifestyle change. No, he was in Calcutta. Now he has moved into Sundarban and putting himself into a small hut there. So he started talking about it. He's saying that I moved in there, moved in here, and all that. All this is impactful stories, which will actually create it will go very deep into the minds of people, right? So that's very important to mention. Then the next point is accomplishment and the team recognition. So means when I say team, means supposing you have more people who are helping you in your team and all that, you need to project them. Like, how he keeps on saying, Jumki and 7 other people. So he's not all alone. So there are several people will come to know, donors will come to know that you are not all alone doing this job. You've got other people to support you also. So therefore, that is, one sort of satisfaction for people when they know that there is a team behind you to support your activity. So that should be explained. So benefit post is highlight how benefit post is separate post for itself. Highlight how by doing social work, right? You are feeling satisfied so much in your life, as if you have accomplished something in life. Your existence in life has been achieved. You found a reason for living in this world. That universe has sent me to do some work, and I'm doing that. I'm very, very honored for that. So you need to make that statement that you're very happy about it. Then you need to make a commitment post. Commitment post is that I will probably I make a commitment like this. I say that 10,000 NGOs should become self-sustainable. That's a number that I commit myself, right? Like that, you need to give some sort of commitment. Numbers should speak about, and you should stick to it till you achieve it. And when people will come forward to help you to achieve that number. So like how you feel that you all should help me in achieving my mission of making 10,000 NGOs self-sustainable, like that, this kind of belongingness, this kind of wanting to be together in my mission, this feeling should come to the public. Now, how it came to you, it should come to donors for you. You got the point. So that commitment you have to make very clearly. Then there must be a post which is purely restricted only to donation appeal, asking for donation. How much money you require? Why do you require? What will you do with that money? How is it going to be utilized? How transparent you can be in making public know that your money is going to the right place, and how it is going to be sent? What kind of utilization report you can submit to people who are coming forward and contributing? So are you going to declare your audit report in the website, or are you going to show anybody who wants to come and have a look, how my expenses, my income has been, they can come and have a look. This kind of, clarity should be given while you are making donation appeal. Sorry? Hello? Okay, so that's about donation appeals. Then sometimes, you need to be casual. Sometimes it should not be only serious. Sometimes, some funny jokes and this thing and that thing and all that has to be mentioned. Funny jokes means it should be within limits. It should not be too, negative or something religious or something politics. No, none of those kind of things. Some casual remarks, one fine day you can just post it and then leave it at that. Then while you are doing all this activity, there could be some questions coming forward. People might ask you some questions and all that. Those questions are, you can create some set of questions yourself. Maybe around 15 to 20 questions you can create. And then there must be one post which is purely a question answer session. I received a question today from from one of the donors that he was asking that how many people, how many beneficiaries are there, in your this thing, how many people you are serving them, this thing. So this is my answer, for them. And the next question is, why do you require 10,500 rupees for this purpose? Then you should say the 10,500 rupees is required because the cost of the raw materials will be this A, B, C, D, E, F will be like this. So you will give that clarity to people.
Sir, questions and answers, the questions will be asked by us, or
there could be some normal questions which is coming to you while posting. So you note down all that. Okay, you can give immediate answer also, but one fine day, you sit in front of computer and say that today I'm answering many of the questions asked by many donors. Here are the list of questions. Supposing the questions are only 3 which you have received. So you need to create around 15 questions. So 15 questions should be related to your activities only. You ask yourself. So this is question. I received a question. You don't have to specify name and all that. You can say the next question is this. So 15 questions you create. And then for the 15 questions should be something related to your work only. And it is an indirect appeal, donation appeal that you are making to people. So this is what you need to do. Then you need to interview beneficiaries. There must be a very candid interviews, like, how are you feeling now? Has there been improvement? How did you feel before we got in touch with you? How was your situation? Now, how is your situation? Has it improved? Has it not improved? Now, what more support you require? And make the beneficiary talk. And then that should be an interview, like, how I do this, no? Whenever we arrange a program of this kind, there'll be 2 people side by side having an interview. Like that, it should be there. And then share success stories. If there are some number of success stories which are there, you should share everybody's success stories there. So you need to create all that and make sure that you keep on watching, and such success stories you must keep on sharing. And then you also conduct one particular post where you will be teaching people how they can do social service, social work. If there could be many people who are wanting to get into social activity, but they don't know how to get into. They don't know for what purpose they should live, and they also don't know how much time they should devote and all that. So you will give them clarity on how that can be done, right? So that is another point that you should keep in mind. And then give a live tour. A live tour is what? Like wherever you are doing some activity, like for example, Ojaji did some recent activity which he took a live tour of that, and then he showed. So like that should be there. That should be displayed. And then give behind the scenes picture. Behind the scenes means there are some your back office work and all which is happening, right? How tough it is, how difficult, what kind of challenges are you facing and all that. You should show that. So totally there are 16 ways by which you can exhibit yourself, show and be present in the Facebook, in the social media. So value proposition is one. And when I'm talking about 4 posts, value, then I said inspiration, motivation, then the third one is result, and the fourth one is the donation appeal. Okay, on a daily basis, you're going to post all these things in there, which I said. In that, you can do a little bit of permutation combination with this 16 topics that I've told you, and then keep shouting, make noise. Okay, and this is how you should become active. Any questions in this? So if it is understood, then I'll move on to the next interesting subject. Yes. Anyone, any questions? Chandransu, can you do it?
So this live section, it needs to be from the Facebook personal page or Facebook NGO page, because though I have 13,000 followers for my NGO Facebook page, most of the responses I get in my in my personal page.
How many friends you have?
Around 5,000.
It won't accept beyond 5,000.
Yes, but I just always keep it below 5,000 always.
Okay, so it's okay. You do it in your homepage only.
Okay, personal page, right?
Yeah, personal page only. You do it, no problem.
Then I can share it from there to my.
From there to page, you can put it across later on for the followers to do.
But why is it so, sir? But because the NGO page has 13,000 followers, whereas my personal page has only 5,000 friends. But most of the responses comes in personal page than the NGO page.
No, the attraction is always there only because the feeds and all are going there only. So it is quite natural. I'm not surprised with this. Yeah, it is okay. It's ultimately it is yours only. You need to have one business page and you are the face of it. So since you are the brand, it's okay if it is there in the account page.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Dr. Rajesh, you understood what all things you have to say you're supposed to do in Facebook? John Peterji, have you understood?
Sir, I have understood. Only my concern is, constantly we need to work on this some of the aspect in the Facebook. Is it right, sir? The 16 point which you mentioned.
Yeah, you need funds, isn't it? You need funds to run your NGO, right? There is no other way you can get funds.
Yes, sir.
There is no other way you can get funds. Otherwise, you have to go with a begging bowl outside on the street and then ask for it, which is very difficult. So this is very decent.
So we need to repeat. We need to repeat all the strategy which you have mentioned.
You see, 16 steps when you follow, you will find that you are not repeating. You will keep on doing something new or the other. It will happen on its own.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, see, supposing you don't have any activity to do, right? You are not doing anything. Now, for you, you can go and simply say that I am John Peter. I've started this NGO. I would like to do this service and all that. How many of you feel that this is possible to be done? Can any one of you come and help me, support me? How many of you are interested in joining hands with me? Are there any volunteers who are willing to come and support me? Do you have any suggestions? Okay, you ask like this. When you ask like this, there are people who will come forward and tell you what to do. Attract these are all called attraction marketing. Okay, you have to attract people. You have to become a lead magnet now. You have to become a magnet. Your magnet, you need to attract people now towards you. People should come towards you now, right? It's time. How will they come? You need to showcase yourself. Supposing you are sitting in a corner of your house and do nothing, how will people come to know about you? So that is the problem with most of the NGOs. They don't do that. That's where the problem is there. Okay, so you need to make noise. Make noise, and then you see the response coming after that. You'll start getting it. The moment you showcase properly, you put it properly and all that, Edwards is one very good example of today he has showcased one Milap thing. In 8 days, he has been able to get 68,000 rupees. Correct. He is not part of this mentorship program still, but he has showcased that today. It is possible. Now this kind of money, how will you get it from government in 8 days' time? Just imagine, just think over. Supposing you had prepared one project proposal, and you have submitted to the government. Do you think in 8 days and all, 10 days, 8 days, 10 days and all, this kind of money will come?
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
Not at all. Months together you have to wait for that. Months together. Here, instantly you can start. Tomorrow you can start the NGO activity like this. But you need to know how to do it. That's all. You have to exhibit. Don't have any kind of fear in front of the camera. Version 1 is better than version 0. When you start doing, when you keep on doing things, then only you will improve yourself. You will make mistakes. Don't worry, people will forget. Their memory is very short. They won't remember for a long time. One good thing you do, then they will forget about what you did in the past. Okay, so in digital world is like that. You need to be open. Accept the challenge and go. Bindas. See, night, day. You know, one video from Arup came at about 11 o'clock in the night. No problem. He just didn't bother. He had, that is the time he had, and he just shot one and then posted it, and it had, I think, very good likes. How many likes you received for that?
Today it's at 1100 and one can see it. It's 1100 likes.
1100 likes. See? So it will go. Any time is okay for you. You have to just be open. Be bindas. And tell this is what I'm doing. And you're not doing something wrong. You're doing whatever you're doing a fabulous job. Right? Be open in telling that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Anant Kumar has started showing that. I'm very happy about that. Whatever it is, he has made some mistakes. You know, the documentation was not okay. You know, there was some red color, blue color, white color, and all that. All that he will correct it over a period of time. Because Arup immediately he said that, sir, your content, see, you show the tricycle rather than the content. Content is not required. People will understand what you want. They will ask you otherwise. If they don't understand, they will ask you. But if they see the tricycle thing, you know, that is more appealing for people. So, I mean, but he went ahead and did that. Point is that he never bothered how people will take it. He just put it across. And then he will improve. Next version was very better than that. I think his first video was not good, but second video was very good. Correct. So he has improved. This will happen. Unless you keep trying and doing things like that, for him, you know, I don't think you must have taken so many videos, so many pictures. இதெல்லாம் எடுத்திருக்கீங்களா சார் முன்னாடி நீங்க இவ்வளவு எடுத்திருக்கீங்களா?
இவ்வளவு எடுத்துருக்கீங்க.
இவ்வளவு எடுக்கல.
எடுப்பா போட மாட்டான். இப்ப நீங்க சொன்ன பிறகுதான் அதை போட மாட்டான். இப்ப இது எங்களுக்கு புதுசு. சார் சொல்லணும்னா அப்படி நாங்க அப்படியே அப்டேட் பண்றோம்.
பண்றதுனால வந்து உங்களுக்கு இதுல வந்து இது வரைக்கும் இப்ப பண்ணதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு மாதிரி யாராவது கேக்குறாங்களா? 4 பேர் இல்ல
லைக்ஸ் நிறைய. முந்தானத்து நம்ம இவர் ஜோதிகா பர்த்டே போட்டிருந்தோம். அப்ப அவங்க இதுல இலங்கையில இருந்து ஒரு லேடி போன் பண்ணாங்க, எனக்கு ஜோதிகா நம்பர் வேணும் அப்படின்ட்டு. அப்புறம் அவங்க இப்ப நமக்கு ரெகுலர் ஆயிட்டாங்க. ஏதோ உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் வேணும்னா சொல்லுங்கன்னு இருக்காங்க. நான் உடனே சொல்லல, சரி நம்ம இதை இன்னும் பார்த்துட்டு இன்னொரு நம்ம நிறைய தேவை இருக்கு நேரம் சொல்லிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்ட்டு அவங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும்னா சொல்லுங்க, நான் பண்றேன்னு இருக்காங்க. நம்ம உடனே அவங்களை அப்ரோச் பண்ணக்கூடாதுங்கிறதுக்காக அப்படி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
You know what he said? I'll tell you what he said in the Tamil for rest of the people. He that Jyotiga's birthday, you know, video he posted, right? There was a person from Sri Lanka who called him and asked him that I want Jyotiga's number. Then he said, no, I don't know about Jyotiga's number. We are running a charitable trust, so we are doing this activity and all that. And then that lady said, oh, I see, very good. If you need any help, any donation, you tell me, I'm willing to give you. Then he said, no, when time comes, I'll ask you. No, it's not required, he said. And then he kept the phone down itself. He didn't want to ask her. When an opportunity like that comes, never give up. Ask. Why are you feeling hesitating? Why are you hesitating? Ask, no problem. First time you have missed it. But next time when somebody says, what do you want? Ask. Be ready with your answer.
இப்போ அவங்க நம்ம Facebook ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆயிட்டாங்க.
Facebook ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆயிட்டாங்கல்ல? ஃப்ரெண்ட்
ஆயிட்டாங்க. அதனால நம்ம ப்ரோகிராம்லாம் பார்ப்பாங்க.
வெரி குட். வெரி குட். இனிமே அப்படிதாங்க டெவலப் பண்ணணும்.
அப்படிதான் சார்.
அப்படிதான் டெவலப் பண்ணணும்.
எதுவுமே உடனே இதாகாது.
உடனே ஆகாது. கரெக்ட்.
ஆகாது.
கரெக்ட். பட் இப்போ நீங்க பண்ணது ரொம்ப கரெக்டான வேலை.
கரெக்டான.
Okay, so John, is it clear now?
Yes, sir, I understand. Sir.
Yeah,
I understand.
So please do not
need to always, you know, like project ourselves.
Yeah, you just have to go and show your face first of all to the public that I am John Peter. I want to do this. I am planning to do this. I have not started yet, but my passion is to do this. I need help. I need guidance. Can anyone of you come and help me? Are there people, are you interested in joining hands with me? Ask. You will find some 3-4 people coming and saying that, yeah, John, well, how do you want to start it? Do you have this thing? I'll help you. Don't worry. We can discuss. So some people will come. That's how, you will build a relationship with people in the digital world. Please do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So next interesting topic is I'm now going to show you a technique of identifying 15 donor prospects every day. Minimum 15 donor prospects you can identify. How to identify? Okay. So this I am now going to show you. Pay very good attention now. Try to understand what I am trying to say. Anantkumar nalla parunga enna pandreenga 15 donor neenga kandupidikkala ஒரு நாளைக்கு minimum. Don't go over. Actually, you can use the exercise that I'm going to show you. See the exercise that I'm going to show you now. When you see that, you will feel, oh my God, I can take even 200, 300 per day. Like that, you might feel, right? But don't do that. Because when you try to overdo certain things, you will get into some sort of issues with Facebook. Facebook has got certain, they are very, very watchful. They have designed in such a manner, programmed in such a manner that if you overdo certain things, it will block you. It will, your account will be deleted. All these things will happen. So be very careful and don't go overboard. Just follow one. I'm saying 15 donors means stick to 15. I could have said 20. I could have said 25. But I'm not saying that, no. I'm saying only 15. Means because I know how Facebook works. So don't go overboard. Don't go beyond 15 donors every day. I'm going to now teach you how you can find 15 donor prospects every day. Right? Now let's go to Facebook. So this is Facebook. I'm sure these groups and all you would have seen, no? Crowdfunding groups and all, have you seen? So many crowdfunding groups are there. If you don't know, just put crowdfunding groups and you can just click groups. You will find a lot of group members here. The crowdfunding groups, a lot of crowdfunding organizations are there in this. Okay, now let's go to in Calcutta, other than the existing NGOs, which other NGO, according to you, is a very good NGO? Do you know any name?
Hope.
Hope.
There is a Hope. There is a Hope Foundation which is managed from UK. Hope Foundation UK.
Let's go there. Hope Foundation UK, is it?
Yeah.
Or international?
International.
Okay. Okay. Now you see this. I went to Hope Foundation International, all, or you can go to posts. One of these two things. Okay, either post or you go to hall. Go to all, you will find this Hope Foundation International. Click this. These people are not that big, I think. This is different or what?
No, they are all over the world. They are all over the world.
What I'm saying is correct? What I'm saying is correct?
Yeah.
because I'm not seeing massive, you know, there's no impact on this. Like, for example, I'll take now, let's say, okay, Akshay Patra Foundation. Okay. It's a big NGO, right?
Yeah. 25 lakh meals per day, midday meals.
Yes. Now, if you click them, see, can you see that this particular post, okay, has got 446 likes. Okay, this has got 446 likes, and there are 11 comments here. Okay, let's look at 11 comments first. Let's see what kind of comments have come. Sometimes these comments, you will say that I want to support. How do I support? Something will come like that. Okay. If it comes, then he is a prospective donor for you. Now, if you click this likes, okay. Now, there are 433 people who have liked this. And you have an opportunity of identifying at least some 15, 20 or 30, 40 people from this who could be your prospective donors tomorrow. Okay, for example, let's say Preeti Nayak. Okay, Preeti Nayak is, by the look of her face and all that, looks like, you know, yeah, she has got that philanthropic, you know, mind. Studied at Barkatullah University, Bhopal. Okay, you can get NRI donors and all that. Right now, Preeti Nayak is one. Deep Chand is there. Vipin Thomas, right? Mahesh, just note down. Vipin Thomas could be your prospective donor. He lives in Mallapalli, India. Where is this Mallapalli?
Andhra.
Andhra, okay. Subhash Kumar, Madhuri Mokashi, Bhagwan Das. So, are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how will you make this people your prospective donor? How? What is the way out? 15 donors. When I say, the step number one that you need to do is first is look at these people first face, right? All these people you keep seeing. And then let's take one example of, let's say, Ramdev Garg. Okay. He lives in Bangalore, India. Ramdev Garg. So I just go to Ramdev Garg and see his profile. So what he has done, he has put his photograph has got something, and Sanskar or something I'll go through this, study. What is he actually doing? Ramdev Garg, he is into yoga and all that. He's also Sare Jahan Se Acha. He's a very patriotic person, right? And then what is this? रिश्ता वह नहीं होता जो दुनिया को दिखाया जाता है. रिश्ता वो होता है जिसे दिल से निभाया जाता है. अपना कहने से कोई अपना नहीं होता. अपना वह होता जिसे दिल से अपनाया जाता है. Okay. Now what I'll do is there is a message option available here, yes, where I can send a message for him. Yes. Now I'll go to him, send a message that I saw your post. Okay, on Rishta. Okay, it was truly amazing. I fully agree with your thoughts. I'm so glad to have found you here. Thank you so much. That's all. No friend request, nothing. Thank you so much. Okay. Now I'm going to send this. I've sent it. I have sent this message live, okay, in front of you. And you will see that in a day or two, he will respond to me. Okay. After that, what I will do is I will send him a friend request. Then I'll say that I've sent you a friend request. Fine. He becomes your friend after that. Now, like this, on a given day, every day, this has to be your task of identifying minimum 15 people. Not all those 15 people whom you are identifying can become your donors, but they are your prospects. They are your prospects. 15 into 30 days, 450 people. So out of 450 people, if 4 or 10 people donate from there, is it not worth that exercise? Now put one person on the job to do this job. If you don't have time. Right. Now you want NRI donors? You want NRI donors? You can go here. Save the Children. Okay. Go to Save the Children. Team Save the Children. (192) likes here. You will find people from all parts of the country. This is a Dubai person. He's from Dubai. This guy. You can see him. Though the technique remains the same, but you can get people from all over the world. So once they become your friend, or you invite them and you then ask them to like your page, they come and like your page, right? This is how you need to build relationship with them, donor prospects, right? Then you take some other name. Some other name you take, any other name that you want to say. Any other NGO. World Vision. We'll take World Vision. Or World Vision is more Christian organization. So we'll leave that. Okay.
Bill Gates Foundation.
Bill Gates Foundation.
I get a lot of foreigners there, sir.
Huh.
Bill Gates.
Bill
Gates and his wife's name, I think Melinda.
Melinda.
Yeah,
Gates Foundation is there.
Arup Sengupta's name is there also.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I just saw it. I had written something.
Okay. See here, 279 people. Jay Prakash Jay, Mark Sharif, Abdul Rahman, Justice Oregon, Sonia Asia Noble. See, people who have liked all this are all, philanthropic mind,
Yes.
Otherwise they will not even come to this page. Why will they come if they are not interested in this line? So they're all connected with the NGO activities. So Purinjita Kamala Anant Kumar. Sonal Purinjita.
புரிஞ்சுது.
So இது இவங்களெல்லாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட் பண்ணாங்க, இவங்களெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட் பண்ணணும். பட் அதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு டாக்டிக்கல் மூவ் இருக்கணும். சும்மா திடீர்னு இப்ப ஆட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்னு போட்டீங்கன்னா ஒத்துக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஒரு நல்ல வழி பார்த்து அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னு புரிஞ்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா அவங்கள வந்து ஃப்ரெண்ட் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் போடணும். So, all right, got some ideas? Mahesh, did you get some idea about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
there are chances that some may not accept, and this friend request may.
Of course, when you are making an appeal, when you are making an appeal, see, friend request. Supposing you're putting 15, 5 people will accept. You have to try it out and see, na? Right? And you should do it in the manner and I did it now. You saw me have one live demonstration I showed you, right?
I think first of all I have to clear my friend list.
You have to clear your
existing friends.
No, then you form a group.
Yeah, because most are like I mean, randomly selected, most are not like philanthropic mind. I think it's high time to remove few.
Yeah, you can go and make a you have to devote some time in that. You have to see, you have to pull out, right kind of people. You can see some of the photographs, some of their profiles and all that, and then decide. Then go for asking for it. This is organic way of doing business. I mean, finding donors. And this, I'll tell you, the same technique I have used it for my real estate business. I'll tell you, like, for example, in real estate business, there was a 9.5 crore property available in Pune. 9.5 crore. So to find a lead for this, to find a customer for this was very difficult. So what we did, we found out any other similar apartment where 10 crore apartment is there and there could be many likes and all that. We went and did an exercise of doing that. Okay, and we had some 150, 160 likes of one particular apartment which was 10 crores and above. So people have liked that. So we randomly selected about 30, 40 from there, right? And started befriending them. Okay, and believe me, there were 2 people who were showing interest in this 9.5 crores out of this list. Number 1, okay, and for Tata Promote project that we had, 3 crores is the property value. Who will buy this property? People who have got good amount of money. So who will have money? We thought, okay, people who are driving BMW cars, Mercedes-Benz cars, they are the right kind of people. So go to Facebook. We found out BMW owners. BMW owners group was there. There were a lot of posts there. And in that post, there were a lot of likes there. So we befriended with those people. My team did that. All my team did that. We befriended. And we were able to get one lead and we sold one property also to that person, to that. It happens, but it requires tremendous amount of patience in doing that. Got it, Satarupa? Your reaction, please. Arupji, your reaction.
Yeah, this is actually a reply to Mahesh. Mahesh bhai, you're a very young child. Never start negative. Everyone will reply to you for 2 reasons. Once again, I'll use Sridhar as the proof. If you see his photographs, it's always very clean. See, when he promotes himself, his cover picture, I mean, what we call the DP, is very clean. It's a big image, up front, very close. Sridhar had used one word saying, study the profile of those 15, look at their face, look at their pictures. because image tells you the first story.
Yes.
Right? Whenever I joined Sridhar's group, because of the image I saw, I'm very particular as a psychologist. I'm very particular about the image I see in front of me. It's like falling in love at first sight. I only joined the group. I didn't know him. I joined the group because I saw an honest man in front of me. That's the reason I joined his group. He hasn't changed that profile. Okay.
Right. Right.
So that's the first thing, because when I go into a lot of your profiles, I find very weak pictures. Right? Your profile, be proud of yourself. Like today I'm wearing an RCB, this thing, jersey. I'm proud of it. They've given it to me, proud of wearing it. I'm clean shaved when I come for this meeting, because for me, this is religion. This is not a sloppy meeting. It's a thing. So get your DPs in place and your background. Sridhar had mentioned behind the scenes. So if you go into my DP, you'll find my team there.
Yes.
Right? So people will want to write back to you. I've never been refused. I have never been refused in writing, because I show a wonderful face and I write good things. When you praise a person genuinely.
Correct.
And that's the only submission that I want to give all of y'all. Don't put religious pictures. Please don't put religious pictures. I get Hanumanji talking to me every day and I get very worried. Yeah, I get about 7-8 Hanumanji this thing coming to me and I get very worried. Very, very worried as to what's happening. And I just reject it. The other good thing, what you told is get rid of 5,000. You don't need 5,000. Just keep between 1,500 to 2,000 and keep weeding out every week. Every week, weed out the ones that are, stagnant. Because I'll tell you, Anand Kumar sends out 40 to 50 posts per day. He's he's beating me to it. He's beating me to it, and no, it's fantastic. And you check his post, because it will tell you the time it was posted. And you'll see it's at 2 o'clock in the night. He and me are awake. I don't know how this thing. And he puts the first post at 6 o'clock in the morning. He's a big competition to me.
And he was not like this earlier.
No, he was not. A month ago, sir, he used to put one post in 5 days and be very happy.
Right.
Sir, this is about a personal FB page or a post?
Personal. No, what I do is my personal page is LinkedIn to my NGO page. But if I put anything personal, it will not go to the NGO page.
And one more thing, sir, in the LinkedIn, I just started LinkedIn. I don't have much followers. So I need to first increase the followers and then start posting, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll take that offline, because Sridhar is there. Because such interesting things he's saying, I just want to keep listening.
No, do it parallelly. See, your page should be your house, your shop. You're opening a shop. When you're opening a shop, stuff it with raw materials. There's nothing wrong. Stuff it with raw materials. You need to have a lot of materials there inside when you open a shop. So LinkedIn, your profile, if you're open, now start posting it. Even if there are only 5 followers, also post it. Start posting it, and slowly it will increase automatically. You first become confident and start doing that activity. Let us wait. I'll get ready. You will never get ready. Get ready means it will not happen. Just do it. No problem.
And for people who don't know how to use the computer, I'll just tell a very short story, 2 minutes. Sir.
Yeah.
I joined Airtel as vice president on a salary of 48 lakhs. And I was told to make a presentation. In those days, it was on chart papers. I did not know how to use the computer.
Right.
And Sunil Mittal, who had taken my interview and given me the job, told me that, Arup, I give you 48 hours. You learn Excel sheet, you learn PowerPoint, and you come back to me, or go to the counter, take your salary and go. I learned it in about 3 hours, sir. 3 hours.
Wow. Super.
Because the hunger was there, no?
Correct.
Otherwise, I'm on the street. I'm on the streets of this thing, like a beggar.
Yes.
I had no choice. So when people tell me that I don't know computers, I just want to slap them. No, honest to God, because at the age of 70, if I can learn, this is utter crap when people say, if I give them 1 crore, they'll learn it in 10 minutes.
Yes, correct.
They'll learn it in 10 minutes. And an NGO's full-time job, sir. It is from this thing, morning, night, and evening, there's nothing. You sleep. Like tomorrow, I'm going to Sundarban, I'll sleep in the car. It's a 3-hour journey, and then I'll again wake up. And right now, you're not seeing me. I'm in my oxygen mask because my COPD is flaring up.
Oh, I see.
Hazra was there. He and his wife actually saved me that day. Otherwise, I would have died on the road.
Oh my God.
I had a severe COPD attack. Hazra was there. His wife were the 2 doctors and Jumki.
Oh my.
For about an hour and a half, they were struggling with me. I stopped breathing.
Yeah, you had mentioned that. And then next day, you were again up in the street in Kolkata. Yes.
Sir, 1 o'clock in the night, I was doing postings, sir.
Yes, right.
Because 1,200 families are dependent on me. I can't die.
So, Mahesh, start with always, be positive.
Yes, sir.
Do not start an activity with a negative mindset. I'll give you one, there is one audio. Please listen to this. Okay. It is called Strangest Secret of the World. Strangest Secret of the World. Okay. I'll just show you one, I teach this to all my people, even in real estate business. I tell them to see that audio. Okay. I'll just show one example. You see here, all of you just watch this. He says, Amol, his name is Amol. He's the guy who's written to me. Hi, sir. 21 days formula, very nice results coming. One of my goal achieved. Okay. Thanks for the law of writing. Good. I said, good. Tell me what's happening. Okay. Then he says, he had put across 10 goal lists. In that, one goal was to purchase 2-wheeler, Splendor plus bike. And I don't know how, but loan, down payment, etc., all arranged automatically. Okay. I said, great, congratulations. Sir, thanks a lot. That's credit only for you. He says he's giving me the credit for that. Because I told him to start writing goals. And I told him to follow one audio, which is Strangest Secret of the World. If you read that story, that particular, listen to that audio, it will tell you, because it is important for Mahesh to know about this. What it says is that anything given free in this world has no value. Example, land is freely available for you. Breeze, the wind is freely available for you. Sunlight is available free for you. Water is available free for you. Okay, it has no value. You don't give a damn for all these things till you find shortage of any of these things. Okay, but if you are paid money for that, even water, when you pay Bisleri water and buy, you don't feel like throwing it off because you're paid money. But the same thing at home, you will just simply waste the water. Right. So it says, he says, in the land farmer has a choice to plant any seed that he wants. The land is not bothered about it. Supposing the farmer goes and plants poison seed, it will give poison in abundance back. Right? Supposing you plant any paddy or anything, any plantation or something for that, it will give you in return the same thing, how much ever you want. The land is just not bothered. What are you planting? Mind is much more bigger than land. It can do anything in life. You can actually make the mind do anything. If you plant negative things in mind, it doesn't bother. Mind will give you negative results. It doesn't care what you are planting. If you plant positive thoughts, it will give you in return positive results. So the moral of the story is that any activity that we do, any activity that you do, it will give you results only if you think positive about it. Otherwise, if you think negative, you will find, oh, what will I get in this? Okay, Sridhar told me, let me try and do this. If you go like that and do, you will not get any one friend acceptance. Nobody will accept. Then it will reconfirm. See, I told that day itself, Sridhar, that it will not happen. See, it has not happened. No, you are reconfirming yourself, saying that it will not happen. But the same thing, Arubda will go and do positive. Sridhar has told me, I'll go follow that. And he will get abundance acceptance. And he will get money pouring in. Why? Why these two different things happening between two different people? All because of mindset. So you need to be very careful in your thought process. In your thought process, if you are getting a lot of negative things, please kick it out. Kill it. Don't have those kind of negative thoughts at all, because there is nothing like negative. You know, I've stopped reading newspaper. I've stopped watching TV. I don't see serials, movies, and all that. Okay, I don't see any of these things. No chit-chatting with people other than my own or family members. No gupshup, no chit-chat, nothing. Okay, then I don't waste time on Facebook other than business purpose. Only for business purpose I spend time on Facebook. Otherwise, nothing I do. Okay. It has resulted by doing all these things. Okay, what it has resulted? My bank balance has been rocketing. Okay, my helping nature has increased. Okay, and whatever I do, whatever I touch, it is now becoming gold. Because there is nothing, no negative thoughts in my mind at all. Because I'm not seeing any Hathras ka story, what is happening. If you just switch on the TV and see the news, only negative news will be there in front of you. And the whole day is wasted because that will keep running in your mind. Half an hour you sit in front of TV news. That is enough for you to get spoiled. The whole day will be spoiled for you. How many of you have experienced it? If you have experienced it, you tell me yes. I have experienced it. I stopped doing it. After that, my life has changed.
Yes, sir.
Once I stopped seeing all these things, my life has changed after that. I don't have Tata Sky. I've got the biggest TV screen in my living room. Biggest one. Much, much bigger than this also. This is, I think, about 52 or 38 or 42 inches or something. But I've got something like about 52 inch in the living room. I don't sit in front of that. Maybe half an hour the whole day, just because for family time. My family time has increased. My wife is happy. My children are happy because I'm working at home. Right? Everything, the whole thing, the bank balance is increasing. Everything is, why? Why? Because I don't think anything negative. In the COVID-19 situation, how many people are outside are saying this kind, making this kind of statement? There are two categories of people who will say, one category of people will say, COVID came, Corona came, it destroyed our life. There is another set of category of people who will say, Corona came, my life changed. So I am in the other category. Arubda is on the other category. Because Arup, last year, no Corona, nothing. Why things were not good for him? He struggled. This year, things have changed for him. Be positive. Digital world is amazing. You don't know the power of, you really don't know the power of digital world. I have already shown you my track record. Okay, my income source I've shown you already. All of you have seen that. After that also, if you still have doubt, oh, karne se ye hoga, nahi hoga, all that profile will not be good. If you think like that, God only can save you then. How will you get money otherwise? Why do you think you are not getting money right now? Get out of all these kind of negative thoughts. Think positive. You will get money. Okay, do good things. Concentrate. See, you are progressing very well. In the last 1 week, I have seen Mahesh's progress is tremendous. The way he has changed and all those things, everything I see, we are moving in the right direction. Please maintain that. Don't just follow what I'm saying blindly. Blindly you follow what I'm saying. Don't even doubt my ideas, because all that is proven in my case. It is all tested and proven. Yes, Mahesh? Agreed?
Yeah, 200%.
200%? Great. Fine. Yes. Because whatever I'm sharing, it is not theory. I have done it myself. And I've seen success. And I'm sure for everything, I've got proof. I'm not simply making statements. Like immediately when I said, no, that guy, I said, strangest secret of the world, you go and listen to this audio. Tonight you go and listen, Mahesh, this audio. Okay.
Can YouTube or where we can find it?
Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube, Strangest Secret of the World by Earl Nightingale. By Earl Nightingale.
Okay, sir, I will hear that.
Okay, listen to this, and tonight, after listening to this, you give me your feedback about this. Very difficult, to follow that. But if you follow that practice, he says, practice this for 30 days. Practice this, practice. What is he asking you to practice? Listen to that audio for 30 days. You know what he says? Your mind will not allow you to listen. Your mind will say, yesterday you listened, no. What new thing you're going to learn today? So there is no need. Your mind will tell, right? Then you will not listen to that. That means your mind has conquered you. When your mind says that don't listen and still you go ahead and listen, because the audio says, Earl Nightingale says, for next 30 days, put yourself into practical test. Right? Put yourself into practical test. Listen to this audio for the next 30 days and you see your life will change. And this has changed millions of people. It was released in the year 1949, this audio. Okay. Strangest Secret to the World by Earl Nightingale. This was released in the year 1949. In 1970, millionaires were born because of this particular audio. After that. And today you see how things will change for you also when you listen to this audio. Okay, with that I'll conclude today's session. We will meet next week with some more interesting information. Right? All of you this week practice on generating donor prospects and using the other tools that I showed you. Get more and more email IDs and start sending mails like how Arup did. Please, all of you do this. Send a greetings, send some best wishes, put your Facebook link and all that, and then you see what response you are getting in that. Okay? See you. All of you, bye-bye.